you have not polished that by coming to different meetings, on the regular masterminds.
Okay.
You would have come on regular masterminds. You would have seen you a lot, no? So you wouldn't have forgotten that Abhijat is from a very long time. Abhijat has started a book club. We have joined that, but then it has not continued.
Sorry, Chakradhar, had started.
Had started. Okay, so, okay. Okay. I have my issues with the English language. I'm not very good with that particular language.
No,
Chakra, you are much better at English than I am at Hindi. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yes, you know.
So Chakra, I have made you the co-host.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I'll keep joining people now.
Yeah, so you can keep attending. So welcome everyone, and I'm very happy to that we have got some old members joining us back. Welcome Dr. Arun and welcome Atan. They had gone into hibernation, so they've come out of hibernation now. That's great. And also before I start, a very big happy birthday to Radhika. She has taken special leave to join this session. Oh wow!
Happy birthday!
I was wondering what is she doing here.
Happy birthday, Radhika.
Thank you.
Radhika.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Cheers, Radhika.
Cheers to Radhika.
Thank you.
Okay. So are you guys excited? I need to see some excitement there.
Yes, very much excited, sir. Very much excited.
Yes.
So there doesn't seem to be much energy. First thing, before I start, I'll just lay down the ground rules for this mastermind session. Everybody has to be with their video on. If your videos are off, then the co-host will send you into the waiting room. So please switch on your video.
Wow.
First thing. Okay. Secondly,
Wonderful. Kannan rules.
Secondly, can somebody tell me what is the topic of our discussion today? If you have gone through the video which I shared a few days back.
Networking, is that it?
Yeah, the power of networking. And I'll also give the credit to the person who gave the idea about this subject. Again, Radhika was the one who gave me the idea. I asked people to suggest topics for our mastermind. So Radhika came out with this idea of the power of networking. And I thought this is the best thing, especially for me to take on, because I have been closely associated with the Happy Neighborhood project. So I think that this would be the very good thing for all of us, especially since we are all speakers, trainers, and coaches in our own right. Some are already established, some are in the process of establishing, some are restarting their career as a speaker, trainer, and coach. So for all of us, networking is a very important tool which is required for us to reach out to our target audience. So what we will do is, we are right now, how many of us? 12 of us. We are 12 of us. So what we'll do is, we'll start in the alphabetical order of the name. Each speaker will get 2 minutes each to talk about what do you think about networking, and how do you think we as a community, especially in the SPC community, how can we help each other in expanding our own network, firstly, and second, how can we contribute to expand or help each other to reach out more of their target audience. So I'll just repeat. First thing is, what is your views about networking? Secondly, how can we as a community use this networking tool to firstly educate each one of us, and thirdly, how can we collaborate to help each other to reach out to a wider audience or target audience which we are seeking for. So who do we start with? Abhijat, sorry. So let's start with Abhijat. Abhijat, your time starts now, 2 minutes.
Sure, sir, and thank you so much, Colonel Singhal. So,
Thank you. Chakra,
regarding
can you
the
keep
first-
the time? Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Yeah.
So regarding the first question, why do we need networking? Of course, networking is very, very important in today's age. There may be two different aspects of networking. One is that I just want to build my customer base. More the number of people who know me, the more successful maybe from a coach's point of view to find potential clients. There is a second aspect of networking which I want to highlight being a corporate professional, which is to simply get the work done. I want to get some, I'm working on a labor law project and I need some complex information. There are the two approaches. One is that I spend 5 hours going through the labor law books and trying to find out the right information and spending my whole day. Second is if I have a good network, I simply know whom to reach out to, or even if I don't know, I know the person who can help me to reach out to the right person. And if I'm able to reach out to the right person, then my work can get it done in 5 minutes. So there is a huge difference, me doing it myself and I am able to reach out to the right person and just getting the work done in 5 minutes. Being a productivity coach, I think this is also important from a productivity point of view. How much productive time I can save. Coming to the second question, how we can each other. I think very simple way we can help each other through encouraging, in the sense, for example, whatever YouTube channels some people are running, simply subscribing to them. Whatever LinkedIn videos or posts people are sharing, simply liking with them, or simply attending. Though I myself admit I have been guilty on that regard. Many of the Sunday meetings or Sunday sessions which happen, I've been unable to join. But honestly, this is one of the best ways in which we can encourage each other, even if it means spending some hardly 99 or 199 bucks from our pockets. That is very little amount, but this will be a huge encouragement to the other person if we can simply manage that. That's it, Colonel Singhal.
Okay, thank you, Abhijat. Yeah. Okay. Next we come on to.
Can you actually write the questions in the chat box?
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah,
I'll just type it in the chat box.
Really helpful. I'm going to read Abhijat's answer because I like it. I'm going to make it my own. Okay? Thank you.
Yeah, next, Dr. Alka. Dr. Alka is not here. Then we move on to the next person. Atan. No, sorry, Dr. Arun Kumar. Yes, Dr. Arun, your turn.
Thank you, sir. Rajiv Sanjal, sir. Colonel Sanjal, sir. You gave me this opportunity. First of all, I want to share बहुत ही लंबे समय के बाद आया हूँ because I have lost big things like my mother. And that's why it's a delay in coming to this platform. So after all, I want to talk something about the networking. Networking is very important because start and end, और start और end को अगर connect करना है तो connectivity और networking बहुत जरूरी है. Otherwise, you just start the things and never end the things. So networking is very important. Second thing is that suppose one candle is burning and there are a lot of candles, जो कि बुझा हुआ candles है और एक जलता हुआ candles है. तो अगर सभी को अगर हमको जलाना है तो वो एक जले हुए कैंडल से सभी कैंडल को भी रोशनी दे सकते हैं. इट मीन्स दैट अगर हम खुद जले, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्रॉम द सेल्फ अवेकनिंग टू द ग्लोबल पीस, हम खुद जलें फिर बाकी सबको भी प्रकाशित करें. सो दैट इज पॉसिबल ओनली व्हेन वी क्रिएट नेटवर्किंग. थर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट इफ वी टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ ट्रीज भी एक नेटवर्किंग के सिद्धांत पे कार्य करती है. जस्ट लाइक trees has the three components. The first component is root, the second component is trunk, and third component is crown. So what is the function of the root part? Root part just connect with the earth, connect with the soil, and the trunk is just for cultivation. They draw the water and connect it to the crown part. तो वहां से पानी को लेके क्राउन पार्ट पे देते हैं, वो भी वहां पे नेटवर्किंग का काम कर रहा है. उसके बाद वो जो क्राउन पार्ट है ट्री का, वो कंट्रीब्यूशन का काम करता है. There are 3 C's: connection, cultivation and contribution. And these 3 C only possible with there is connection, that is connectivity. So networking is very important. Suppose I have knowledge, ज्ञान का आदान प्रदान, that is called discussion. And वो जो हम ग्रुप में जैसे आज यहाँ पे कर्नल सर रखे हुए हैं, ये बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्किंग है. आज उसने व्हाट्सएप किया और मैं यहाँ से कनेक्ट हो पाया. आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम दिस नेटवर्किंग आल्सो. ये व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना हुआ है. मैं हमेशा थिंकिंग करता हूँ कि whatever I feel in future, I'll just remain connecting with this group. It is possible only when if we contribute something through networking only. Suppose we have knowledge of meditation, we have knowledge of giving knowledge to everyone, we have knowledge of what's happening after death. If we have knowledge of any kind of thing, just I want to share. In the present scenario, in the technological term, if I want to say, कि आप एक जगह बैठ के पूरे संसार को ज्ञान दे सकते हैं. That is called the social network. So networking is very important. लिंक बहुत जरूरी है. आज आप अपने आप को पूरे संसार से कनेक्ट कर पाते हो. That is because of the networking. And that networking is not only for connect yourself to the outer world or surrounding worlds. Not only the material connecting. We also go into the internal connecting also. This body is connected with the soul. This body just by Annamaya Kosh, Pranamaya Kosh, Anandamaya Kosh, whatever. These all are the connected. Body itself example of teamwork. हम जो आंख देखते हैं उससे बहुत सारा कनेक्ट.
डॉक्टर अरुण सॉरी है, हमने सबके लिए 2-2 मिनट अलॉट किया है.
So we'll allow you to speak more once everybody is finished. Yeah, thank you. But three important key, three C's one must remember. Okay, Arvind, your turn.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I just came now. Can you tell me what's going on? 2 minutes I have to.
Okay, so you can be the next speaker. Atan, can you take on?
Okay.
Yeah. Atan, oh, where's Atan gone?
No, we can explain, Arvind, no sir, what we are doing. So
yeah, okay, Arvind.
Yeah. Arvind, you can see the chat, or it takes only 2 minutes to explain.
Yeah.
You have to tell us the importance of
networking. Basically, what I said, power of networking is a theme. So how can we utilize this to help our community, members of our community, to reach out to their target audience by this tool?
So yeah, the importance of networking, I think probably others would have talked about it because it's a very general subject. When it comes to the STC, I feel like the coaches who are dealing with the same problem areas that people could be facing, even though there are just minor differences in between them, if they're dealing with the same problem areas, the odds are they will also be dealing with the people who have problems within those problem areas. So that opens up a lot of doors for collaborative work. One of the good examples I can give of this is there's a lot of people who are working on dealing with the subconscious issues, right? Whether you can call it the inner child, or you can call it, accessing your inner consciousness, bringing out the subconscious natural in you. There are so many people who are dealing with the subconscious aspects of human consciousness. So a lot of that is linked, and the people who have problems or people who are trying to sort out problems over in that region, they usually have similar problems to which all or most of these approaches might work. But then again, the problems and the solutions are subjective. So if the coaches can come together, like based on the problems that they're trying to solve for their people, and if they can come together and if they're addressing the same problem area, the odds of them collaborating and the odds of them working together to do events together, the odds of them reaching more audiences that could be in use of their services could be multiplied. So that's my that's what I would like to share.
Okay, thank you, Arvind. Okay, next AM Learnings. I've requested you to switch on your camera if possible, and
she cannot. She cannot. I'm sorry.
Hi everyone. This is Arpita. I'm sorry I can't switch on the camera because my work timings clash, and that's why.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, so let's have your views about this. Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm sorry for being very irregular with these meetings, and networking is definitely very important part of what we are trying to accomplish here, right? And I see you guys network a lot, and it's really helpful whenever I go through the chats and all. How we can help each other through this group is, I would say, like you've given a 2 minutes forum to everyone. Probably we can give a 30 seconds forum from next call, asking for a specific referral. Say I say that I need somebody from a corporate who's looking at getting a training on growth mindset. And even one person who's willing to take a free mentorship also could help each other grow, right? So that 30 seconds forum probably would help, and we can gather, I mean, at least 2 to 3 references in each other's span and grow the network together. And similarly, like you've taken the topic today and the other talk, I mean, we are aware of the agenda prior, so we can think of referrals and come to the call so that it's helping, right? So that's one suggestion I have for the forum.
Thank you very much, Arpita. And actually, this is a good, since we started for this format after a long time. That's why we'll be learning, pick up things and keep on improving mastermind sessions. So next is Dr. Alka Chadha. Are you there? Please, if you are there, please switch on your camera. If not, then we move on to Atan. Atan,
can you hear us?
Atan, are you there? Can you hear us? Atan
Suddenly
seems to be.
Yeah,
Atan,
Yeah.
you can do one thing. You can stop your video and you can start talking because maybe that will.
I think you have a. Yeah. Okay. So.
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you.
We can hear you. Yeah. Go ahead.
I think you can continue.
Okay. Yeah. So next is
He's
Deepta.
unmuted now. Maybe he can go now. He's unmuted.
Just Deepta, wait for a minute. Yeah, Atan, can you speak? I think there's some issue with his network. Okay, Deepta, you can go ahead. Thank you.
Hi everybody. So from the start of STC, I'm there here, and because of this networking, it helped me a lot to where I am today. So, and these new meetups, how you have planned, it's a great move for us to collaborate or understand each other more and understand each other knowledge, to exchange of that knowledge and reach as a community into the world and make this world a better place. And we are all for it, and I love this community. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you, Deepta. Next we have
Miss Chakra.
Chakra. We missed out Chakra, so Chakra, your turn. Yes.
Sir, I can go at the end also, no? Because I'm.
Yeah. Okay,
so
fine.
I have to
Fine.
moderate also.
Yeah, because yeah. So next after Chakra, after Deepta, it is Arsh straight away. No, Purnima. Yes, Purnima. No. Sorry. My fault. Fifth.
Yeah.
I'm extremely sorry. I missed you out. Yeah, fifth. Your turn.
How can you miss fifth, sir?
We're all a little dyslexic. We're all dyslexic. I am.
Yeah, fifth.
So, I have a very different understanding of networking now, and I'm very, very appreciative of it, because for me, networking has always been something of, oh my God, I don't want to go to a networking session. I don't want to have to put myself out there. I don't have to be on. There's all of this stuff where it's like really, really stressful for me, right? And I think what's happened in this community, it's been very, very beautiful and very gentle. And I want to give you an absolute example. And one was just a few days ago, I was in an absolute flap because I needed to get something off my iPad, and I put it onto the group. And this is where I think someone, who is it, spoke about, Abhijat, you spoke about the network of how everyone can come together and support you. And it was wonderful because I put something out and Radhika said, call Aditya and his wife, who was working on an iPad, and then his daughter came on, and all of a sudden I was able to get everything off my iPad at that moment so I could tape a session that I was doing. And so that was really good. And so for me, networking is not about customers, it's not about any of that. It's really about building a heart connection with someone, and also knowing with other people that, hey, if you guys need to call on me, I might be super busy, but I'll always make time, right? So for me, it's about making time and about the depth of a friendship. And and that also happened with Arvind. I needed someone to help me with Zoom, and Arvind was there. So there's some beautiful things. And then from that has come me having the courage to speak at a hub, because I don't have the courage. People contact me and, I flip out and I go, okay, I'll do it. And I panic and all this stuff. And oh my God, it's like, I don't know how to do it. And here it's sort of like, yeah, it's okay. I don't have to be perfect. So for me, it's much more about the inner self and the inner being, and being able to look at Purnima and go, yes, thank you. That's my 2 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you, Phoebe. It was wonderful. It was same for me because when I came in this STC from starting, I'm growing. I'm growing in STC. I never know what is the good networking, but now it seems like a family. I mean, whatever I have the problem, I can just call it out directly to that person that I am stuck over here, and your problems have been solved. There is no way that you have no trust to anyone that this person is this kind. It's never happened with me. So I really appreciate this family. I just put on not as an STC group, but it is a family for me, because I'm growing all the way from over here with everybody, and it's really superb. Networking is really this, I can say, STC family is the greatest example of the networking, the family type, the group. This is the wonderful thing, I could say. I have been in many of the groups, but I've not seen such a relationship with each and everybody. The bonding is there. You will not find such kind of bonding rather than STC. I can damn challenge this for everyone. Thank you.
Beautiful.
So next we can go with Apurva. Apurva has just joined, but then see her name starts with A, na? So we can.
Hi, Apurva.
Sir, you are on mute.
Hey,
Aditya sir, you are on mute.
So we'll continue this sequence, and then Apurva, you and I, Atan is also left, so we will then
okay.
take on once everyone is finished. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, Radhika. The stage
Which
is yours.
Radhika? Radhika Ramakrishnan or
Radhika Jitin?
Radhika Jitin has to be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hi,
and,
everyone.
Radhika, sorry. And to birthday girl, we can give 3 minutes. Huh? To birthday girl, we can give 3 minutes.
Birthday girl, 3 minutes.
Yeah,
yes.
we already.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I?
Yes.
Yes, please go ahead.
So networking, to me, it's very important. I understand, especially after joining this community. I personally feel like you become stagnant with your knowledge or your professional growth at a certain time period, no matter what, because you continue doing the same thing you're doing and you have only that limited knowledge. Let us say I'll talk in perspective of a counselor. Like if I'm 50% good, somebody is 60% or 40%. If all of us group together, that actually will help each individual. Of course, you get fresh ideas. More importantly, your confidence builds up a lot, because you hear people talking, and then if the other person you see, he or she is speaking so comfortably, you think, why not me? And another thing what I felt is social interaction, it reduces boredom. When you're alone, you actually feel that boredom in your professional life or wherever you are. So that interaction actually helps you keep energetic. We can networking, we can spread it out, of course, by word of mouth, all social medias. If I say counselors, all counselors can get together for inform each other about any specific ongoing courses or what latest is happening in your particular field. Any updated journals, if anybody, that kind of info can be spread around. And generally people have certain fixated ideas. This is my perspective, that we are professionally able or highly qualified people or competent people. They're pretty serious type or introvert in their own bubble. But I personally felt that such easygoing and pleasant community are so knowledgeable and able. So I'm so happy to be in part of our committee. I love you all. I'm telling you, I've been taking a break in between. Purnima, Purva, Priyanka, Karna Singhal, they all been behind me to get back. So thanks to everybody, each and every member of the group. Thanks.
Thank you, Radhika. Thank you very much. Okay, over to the birthday girl, Radhika Ramakrishnan, the happiness coach.
Happy First of all, thank you so much.
Oh
yeah.
So
Thank
how
you,
much
thank
time
you.
you need? How much time you
Abhi
need?
aayi
Huh?
hu
We can devote a whole session for you, huh? If you want.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. Today we'll give her 3 minutes, and later on then we can do a separate session with us. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Radhika.
Okay. Thank you so much, first of all. And then power of networking. We are not individuals in this world. What I mean to say is, it's not that I've come alone, I die alone, everything is fine. But in between, I need to connect with multiple people. Even if I have to go to the store, there should be someone to give me. Otherwise, it is like as though living in Mars, one person. That movie is there, right? So it'll be like that. So networking to me is very much essential, and the biggest benefit of networking is saving time. Abhijit has covered most of the points wonderfully. For example, if I have to say go to an airport and I'm new to the city, instead of Googling and doing all those things, if I know that this person is very good at it, I will directly go and reach out to him. Now, this, with respect to STC, I want to quote some examples. If there is any issue with, for example, I'm yelling at my child. I'll not Google, I'll not do any of those. Directly, I'll contact Appu. Or if I have to do anything with memory, right, I will directly go to Chakra. So Googling everything. I know this is information age. We have a lot of information, but that itself takes time. So now, even beyond that is the power of networking, where I know that, okay, if this is the issue, I just have to put this message in the group and I get the solution. So we are doing this, but we are, I guess, 70 to 80 members. But then, top of my head, I remember only 5 people. So we are not, as for me, we are not using this networking to the fullest. And if at all, each one of us, now if I know 5 names, I want to make it as 10. I should know, okay, career counseling, reach out to sir, or reach out to this person, that person. If you are stressed, yoga nidra you want to do, Pip is there. So like that, if anybody, one topic, if they say, I should be able to relate to a name, we should be from our community. And if each one of us is able to do it, then definitely we have no idea. We'll be like the leaders leading our country, in fact. Maybe like that. So that is how I see it. And to do this, what we can do is, yeah, this is something we've done in BLA. I'm also part of Brigadiers Academy. So at least, yes, we have shared all the details in the roster, but then weekly, every week, if you can take one social platform, for example, YouTube. So everybody shares their YouTube link in the chat, and then we all go and subscribe to it. That way, we all will be like helping to grow each other, collaborate, and we can grow. Another good example was Chakrada's YouTube thing. Collaboration. So he started it, and I think he continued with most of them. They've done. Whoever has not done it, I think they should make use of it. Then day before yesterday, I saw Chakras and Purnimas. I was so happy. So that happiness came genuinely. I was like, oh my, everybody can get benefited from this group. We just have to. बोलते ना ताली 2 हाथ से बजता है. तो आपको करना है, आगे बढ़ना है. So you also shake your hand. Otherwise, if there are people, 5 people whom I remember always, that's because I've been interacting with them. So like that, I feel that it should be relationship from both the hands, and together we should grow and help each other. Thank you.
Okay. Next, Romaji.
Hi. I think networking. People have given better definitions than I could give. So I'll just focus on the benefits. So one thing I felt that this is, I think, my first group. I earlier only have a career counseling group with iDream, for which I work, and I found a lot of support. Actually, all of us are in the same boat. All of us are coaches or speakers. We are looking for second careers, so we understand how it feels, how getting audience is difficult. I cannot talk this with my husband, I cannot talk this with my mother or brother. They simply won't understand. So this is one platform where I could pour my heart out, because I was feeling very low, but here I felt okay, so yes, suppose somebody is ahead of me, far ahead of me, somebody might be a little lower than me, but yes, they treat you with equality, so that is one thing. It gives you a lot of moral support. And as Fifth said, I mean, you are not judged. Like, I can't forget when I simply missed a meeting because I forgot. There was some, and I was so guilty, but nobody told me that, why you missed that. Everyone said, it's okay, it's okay. So it was so easy for me. Otherwise, I really would have, it was very difficult for me to forgive myself. How can I forgive something like that? So that is a very good spirit in this group, and it helps to share. It's not easy for me to share my problems or ask for solutions, but here I find it very easy to share. And as somebody said, we can help each other. That is, I think most of the things have been said. One thing I'd like to add, I mean, the suggestions I have is, we are 70 people, as Radhika pointed out clearly. We are 70, but only 14 are active. Somebody may be coming lesser, or at least I remember 15 people. So to involve rest of the people, they are not leaving they are not even leaving. That means they are here, but I don't know why they are not coming. So as Radhika Jitinji also said, can we group, first thing is we shall ask everyone for a bio, a small bio, and compile it somewhere, so that everybody knows what other 30 people or 70 people are doing. Okay, and then we can create subgroups, like as Radhika ji said, we can, like, the counselors can take a small mastermind class of themselves. Other people can take a mastermind class of themselves and share, So I think if we combine these two, it can help us grow. Because what I was struggling is right now is that I want to help everybody, but I cannot help everybody. When I try to attend everybody's workshop, I mix up everything in my mind, and it also derails me from my own. It takes up a lot of time. So that was also a thing. I think if we make subgroups, we will be more focused, and one mastermind class, one sub mastermind class. So everybody has to attend two. One is which is my core, and other is which is general. So I think that's all what I have to say.
Thank you,
from
Roma.
my added what I want to add. Thank you.
Thank you, Roma. Thank you very much. Yeah, Vishal, next, your turn.
Yeah.
Page is yours.
Thank you all for your input. So my suggestion for networking will be, as everybody is saying that 15 are active, rest are inactive. I've seen this in some other networks. If you do one-to-one sometime, even a maybe 5-10 minutes call, just to understand what you do, what other person do, and what kind of referrals are they looking for. Who would be an ideal customer or a target prospect for them? We all know each other. I know Purnima, I know Deepika, and everybody. But I know possibly only 4 or 5 people in the total STC group whom I know what are they looking for in their prospects, or who could be their potential targets. Otherwise, I don't know anybody else's. So how can I be referring any customers to anybody? If you don't do one-to-one, you will never come to know about that. We will always be meeting in the group. We will always be attending in the groups, but we will not understand what is the ideal prospect for that person. So that's my 2 cents.
सर आप मेरे को नहीं
Thank
जानते
you,
हो?
Vishal.
आपने 2 ही नाम लिए, आप मेरे को नहीं जानते हो? पूरा 7 दिन हमने
सर उन
मीटिंग
4-5
की,
में आप आते हो, उन
बहुत
4-5 में आप आते हो.
Thank you, Vishal. Okay. So next is Apurva. Yes, the stage is yours.
So
You
I
got 2
joined
minutes.
a bit late, but from what others are speaking, we have to speak about networking, right?
Yeah. How
So,
can we use it in our group to help each other? Yes, that is the main thing.
Acha, okay. I did not think about that.
Okay.
So,
Good.
Okay. So networking is something which Radhika and everyone has said that, you know, it's the most important, because at the end of the day, your content will remain same, but you need to meet new people in order for them to know you, right? So that's about it. And right now, frankly speaking, I am lagging a lot. I am I know I'm not present in the Thursday mastermind. Last week I did attend, but I don't know. I'm just lagging behind right now. There are too many things on personal front that I'm taking care of. So I don't have much to say, sir. What to say? But STC has been, yeah, I know. STC has been, it's like a family for me now. So like, I mean, I know that even if I lag behind, even if I don't talk, I know that people are there to support me, and people are always there to, you know, handhold me, and anything I want, any help I want, I will get it from this community. So I'm damn sure about that. And yeah, that's about it.
Thank you, Apurva. Thank you. So next, Atan, are you now your network is okay? Can you speak?
Yeah, I think okay. This is mobile network. Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, I could see like we are here. First thing, like we are very informally connected. That is the great thing over here. Then rest is like how we can improve things. Anyway, we almost know many others, and we can easily reach out. Even that reach people can increase like anytime, because everybody is starting almost from scratch here. So that is encouraging each other, as well as like feel free everybody to reach out to anybody, or even related to our niche or any other general things also, and that will improve. And somebody says might be subgroups, if it helps, that also we can try. And then I hope, yeah, and subgroup means like life related or relationship, parenting, those kind of small subgroups might be that can help more. And that we can think next is, I hope that's all. We are very much here well connected, and anybody can reach out to anybody here. Very informal, that is we don't find anywhere. Everywhere like so much marketing, selling, or so many things are very formal ways it goes on. Here we are, it is a connection, actual connection over here.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you,
that's all.
Atan, very much. So Dr. Alka, your suggestions.
Your take on networking, because everybody's.
I'll tell you one very honest thing. I don't know the meaning of networking, because I have only now I've started understanding little bit about networking. So when I was introduced to this subject, like about 4-5 months back, when I was thinking about the HNP and all that, I was not understanding what is networking. So we used to go in the breakout rooms. I used to hear people and I used to come out. And I have understood today. Today I feel that if I really want to know about somebody else, what the other person is made up of, what are his likes, what are his dislikes, what he is from inside, then I feel that I'm doing networking. That is my understanding of networking, frankly speaking. So when I reach out to FIF and I talk to FIF, you know, what are your inner dreams? What makes you happy? And she tells me all her things, you know, whatever she wants to tell me from the bottom of her heart. And then I tell her something from the bottom of my heart. Then I feel very happy. I feel I've networked. I really don't know the actual meaning of networking, frankly speaking. Now I have to learn. Slowly, I have to learn. So this is what is my idea of networking. I'm really sorry, but I think if we try to understand people and if we try to connect with people one-to-one, it will help us. But what somebody suggested, Atan suggested, small groups we can have. So 3-4 people in a group, now we have better networking. We understand each other better. We know about each other better. That is my understanding. I'm so sorry. I can tell you only so much.
Thank you, Dr. Alka. Thank you very much. So, okay, so now over to Chakradhar. So Chakradhar, the stage is yours.
Sir, basically you have started, so it should come to you first and to be the
No,
last.
no.
I think
I'll be the last. I'll be the last.
Okay, you're going to summarize it. Okay. Thank you, sir, and thank you, everybody. So for me, networking is STC community, and STC community is networking. I have started in January, and I have joined this community. And I have, as Purnima said, I have also grown day by day. I'm growing 1 inch or 1 step every day, and I can see that transformation into me. I was a person who cannot talk to a person who's standing beside me or sitting beside me anywhere. But in this community, I can call to Roma madam, I can call to Radhika, I can call to Fib, I can call to Adit sir, Arun, Dipta, Atan, Abhijat, Radhika, Arvind, anybody. Even who's not here, like Arjun, Surjit sir, anybody I can call anytime if I'm facing some problem. They can call me, I can call them. So the real meaning of networking for me is STC community, straightforward. And here we are connected heart to heart. It's not like that if somebody has a problem, he's going to think twice. Should I call Chakradhar? He's going to help me out? No, it is not like that. He's definitely going to help me out. If it is if he knows something about that, and he's definitely going to call me. So I can call to Apurva, Apurva can call to me. I can call to Arjun, Arjun can call to me. I can even call to Vishalji. Vishalji don't know me. Then also I can call to Vishalji, and Vishalji is going to call to me. Okay? So this is a little about networking. And if I have to tell you some what better we can do as a networking or as a STC community, what we all can do, we shouldn't form small groups. We should form more interactive sessions like this. We should bring all the people and we should make it little bigger. Like right now we are doing 1 hour. We should organize once in a month at least 3-hour marathon. And there people can come and can go. But then they should be able to express themselves. Why they are in this group, what are their meanings, why they have joined, and where they are stuck. They should share their strength, weakness, and SWOT analysis, opportunities and threats. So if they'll be doing that, that is going to help this community a lot. This is all about me. So thank you very much for your patience listening and for this time. Colonel sir. Thank you.
So thank you, Chakra. So before I give we still have time, so I'll just give 2 minutes more to Dr. Arun because we had stopped him in between.
Yeah.
So if he wants to add anything. Yeah.
No sir, it's okay. Nice.
Okay.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा सुनने में लगा. सभी से मैंने लिया. नेटवर्किंग इज रियली गुड. जैसे चक्रधर सर बोले, उन्होंने बहुत इस नेटवर्किंग के थ्रू ग्रो किए.
अरुण जी मैं बहुत मुश्किल से चक्रधर से चक्रा बनाऊं, तो अगर आप मेरे को फिर वापस चक्रधर सर पे ले जाओगे ना, तो फिर वापस ऐसा लगेगा ना कि मैं वापस जनवरी से दिसंबर 2020 में जा रहा हूँ. मेरे को पीछे नहीं जाना, मेरे को आगे आना है.
Okay, nice. So thank you, Dr. Arun. So what I could make out from everybody, Radhika has very nicely summed it up in the chat box. And what I
hope she will send after the after this.
Yes.
I hope she will send. Yeah.
Yes, it will be shared. In fact, what we'll do is we'll share the recording with everyone, so that you can all go through this. And in addition, while this is going on, I was thinking, because Chakradhar was making his note, what we'll do is we'll summarize all the points and share those in the chat in our group, in the WhatsApp group, so that everybody is aware about the thing. And as far as this particular session was concerned, I was initially thinking of sending everybody into a smaller breakout room, wherein you could have got more time to discuss with each other. And then finally, end of it, we could have had a summary of things. But then seeing the number of participants, I thought we'll do it in the next session when we do our next Thursday mastermind. And one more thing which I realized was that we as admins, we had decided, there was one point wherein which was brought out by, I think, Vishal, that we should reach out to all the 70 members of the group. So what we did, each member of the admin group, we have taken 10 members who are not active right now, and we have decided that for every event, every Thursday mastermind, every Sunday event, we will personally reach out to them, send them a message, and I ask them to join in the thing. So like in my case, I say send messages, personal messages, and that is how that is one more thing which we can do to help our STC group to benefit from this networking, the power of networking. And where one is power of community, second is the power of networking within the community as well as outside the community. So that is where the Happy Neighborhood project, which Alka and I are co-hosts, then almost everyone has attended those sessions. You must have realized that we can also follow a similar kind of a pattern once in a month, maybe if not a daily, every week, wherein we can, exchange ideas, exchange things in a smaller breakout room. Thereafter, we can share with everybody in the group. So that is my point. So I see Surajit Dada is also here, so I'll just hand over the stage to him to share his views. So Dada, we have discussed about firstly what networking and how we can utilize this power of networking to promote each member in the group to reach out to their target audience and help them flourish in their respective things. So we would like to hear your views on this, your ideas rather.
Sorry, I got late because just as I was getting into a meeting, some very important call came. So, and then that went on, and so I couldn't help it. So networking. See, networking, I feel the best way is to create a chain effectively, like we are doing this summit, for example. Now, or whichever program we do, unless we have our own contacts, everybody. So unless we own that thing, it's not easy. I mean, how do we get your contacts converted into the program, the larger program, is what will work. I mean, what else? I don't know. I mean, what is the conversation been?
So basically, Dada, what we had been just taking views from every member as to how we can utilize this part of networking to help the members of the STC community. For example, you are in a particular field where you are starting out as a coach to guide the mid-level career professionals. Then Arjun is a leadership coach, Chakra is a memory coach. So now within the community, how can we promote each other to reach out to a wider target audience? How can we use the power of networking? Each one of us to collaborate and help each one of us to reach out to a wider target audience. This is one thing. And so how can we, what we have been talking about is help the community to grow as further. So these are the two main pointers which we were looking for ideas from people. So lots of we have got a lots of good points. We have noted them down, and after this meeting finish within the day or maximum 2 days, we'll compile the list of these points and we'll share them in the WhatsApp group with everybody, so that all those who are not here, or they also get benefited. That is one thing. And second is also the which we have already started. I told them about that each one of us, especially right now, it is just the admin. But what we will be better that each one of, like right now we are 15 of us. If we all 15 take five sleeping members, I would say, or silent members under our thing, take their ownership and bring them on board. at least if not every meeting, at least one meeting or 2 meeting a month, so that they also get benefited and they also find value in our community and they become more active. Because they are some, yeah.
Power of networking, sir. One person meeting 3 person, so 15 into 345. So this
exactly.
This will become portable, yeah.
Absolutely. That is the idea behind the whole thing. Yeah. Okay.
So I just want to summarize that before Dada.
Yeah.
So we have discussed about share links. Radhika has compiled everything, so I'll be putting in the group. So we'll be sharing links. Means we'll be asking everybody to share links, whatever they are doing. Then we'll be asking for the bio, as Ruma Madam has said. Then Radhika has suggested about the collaboration with my YouTube channel. The interview I've started. Then make smaller groups, as Atan has suggested, even Radhika has suggested, Radhika Jitin has also suggested, but they have suggested with different names. But then in short, it was about making smaller groups also, like all the counselors one side, all the authors one side, all the happiness coaches one side, all the your health coaches one side, digital coaches one side. So that also can be formed. And as I suggested about the SWOT analysis, SWOT SWOT analysis, that also can be one point. And finally, Aditya sir has told about a model of HNP process. How in HNP we conduct meeting, we can do that also. Means bringing everybody to the same meeting and then putting them into different breakout rooms. So that also we can do. So these 6 points we actually have covered, we have discussed in last 1 hour. So Dada, if you want to say something on these 6 points and something new if you want to add.
Yeah, so let's work on these suggestions. I feel what will work is things like your interviews, which goes into a larger ecosystem, and maybe someone like who's that girl? I mean, I've forgotten that doctor who makes those lovely films.
Dr. Shalu
Saigal. So if we can persuade her to make these kind of basically interviews, I mean podcasts like Chakra is doing, so she can also do this kind of a series, and that will work. The third thing which will work is there has to be commonality. So third thing which will work is that niche groups of sub niches. I mean, if they start meeting, then maybe that networking will have meaning. If there is too much of a large networking without connects, it will not really lead to, I don't think it will lead to any business. What will happen is, yes, this community will grow in terms of, like, if you call 45 people here, so we'll have 45, 60 people list, and something may happen out of that, in the sense we'll have to develop then interest and call our friends into programs. Then only audience, this will convert into business. Otherwise, let's discuss this in detail, but I feel the niche groups, organic groups is a good idea, and that's where the summits are actually leading to. So each of these niche groups should organize summits. When we organize summits, we have to very intensely ensure that we get target audience to listen to us, and then each one's business converts or not converts is a different thing. But that's the way we can reach the market. We need to reach the market. The other way to reach the market is podcasts and what Chakra is doing. So uske baad, if someone gets interested, that person will visit this guy's website and things will convert. So more of things which directly reach to the market is what will work.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Dada. So thank you, everyone. It was, I would say, it was a wonderful interaction and interactive session, and we got lots of ideas from everyone. Yeah, Apurva wants to say something. Yes, Apurva, you can have 30 seconds. Yes.
No, I just wanted to add, we can create a group or a room in Clubhouse, and we can also have sessions there, any particular session. So that is also Clubhouse it's going to be future, like
Clubhouse is even simpler than this Zoom.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you're thinking that it is more
Ah.
difficult, no, it is more
No
simpler than
videos,
Zoom.
small Fifth. Vivi is getting all confused.
So
Maybe
we will
maybe
consider
we
all
should
the
have
options.
something where
We'll
we learn how
consider
to
all
do
the.
things. Like
See, you have
Clubhouse
to
is
be
very
on,
simple, Fifi. I'll
you
I'll
have
help
to
you set up.
Okay,
you have to
fine.
be on social media in different ways. Like that Facebook का आता है ना वो live streaming. So maybe a group of us has live streaming and put it on
Insta,
Facebook,
Facebook,
on
YouTube.
the
Yes.
concept of STC. Who are the people that we have niche groups? You know, if you structure it, and we have to be on social media in different ways.
Right.
Only then, whether it's a summit, whether it's a podcast, whether it's your interviews, whether it is live streaming, whether it is Clubhouse, you have to be on the media in different ways to actually reach the audience. And this is a good idea. We were very happy that when we floated suggestions, though there are about 100 suggestions on this Thursday session which has come.
Right.
Plus, if we get 50 people to attend or 60 people to attend each of these sessions, like today, because so many people are attending, so ideas of networking, so many more ideas have come. So this can only be a think tank.
Yes.
This can never lead to business. This is think tank. And if that think tank converts into activities which lead to business, that is the idea. And this think tank keeps strengthening each other, helping each other on issues individuals are facing. That is the idea of the community. Conversion will happen from ideas from this think tank. Conversion has to happen with activities which will take you directly to the audience in different ways.
Okay. So
Okay,
thank you,
guys.
everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for being here, sparing your time. And now we'll have to leave the birthday girl for her celebrations. She has taken special duty today to join the Thursday session. And thank you, each one of you. What we are going to do is we'll share the recording of this session with everybody. And also we'll compile the takeaways from our discussion and share that also in the group. And so we will get together and start on the execution part of this shortly. Thank you very much, and have a great evening, and bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Raj.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dada.
Happy
Thank you,
birthday,
everyone.
Radhika.
Happy birthday,
Thank
Radhika.
you. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye
Love you
bye.
all. Bye bye.
Bye, everyone. Good night. Happy birthday,
Bye.
Raj.
Good night.
Bye.
Colonel, sir, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, Colonel, sir, just like to ask what happened with that Priyanka? It's